Hey guys, and welcome to Teddy's Creatures. So today we've got something interesting. We have created a little ecosystem with some soil, sand, plants, twigs and debris, and we put a few snails in there too. And we've sealed it, and it's going to stay that way for the next few weeks, and we'll give you updates on what life it supports in there. So
see what grows.
Yeah, see what grows. We'll just give you a moment to look at it. So we have added an inch of sand, and we've added our soil, yeah. So
now to add a couple of rocks,
yeah.
little stones.
Little stones, yeah, and get some twigs, dead leaves, and we're gonna get a cutting
from one of your plants in the aquarium,
and put that in there.
Whether they'll fit in or not. Yep.
There you go. It's a nice tool. Now, so we're gonna get some dead leaves from the pond.
Yeah, just want to add a little bit of pond water.
Yeah. Break it up a bit.
Yeah.
To smaller pieces.
Yep.
There we go. So we've got our pieces. One with roots.
There's a piece with little offshoots from it, and roots.
So we found a good
cutting.
Yeah. We'll feed it through into the cracking bottle. Just putting a little bit more in. Quite a lot in there, but we need some more.
Right.
That should do it.
It's sealed now. Screw the lid on, and it's going to stay that way. And we're going to monitor it over the weeks and see what happens.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe because it helps the channel grow. And go and check out my dad's and my channel because they're very interesting.
So and just follow nature.
And Teddy's Creatures.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Bye from me. And bye from...
Bye now.
Bye. See you in the next one.